You all, did you see the mammoth crowd that went to welcome Governor Abba Yusuf, Governor of Kano State? I was just imagining. Let's just imagine that the Supreme Court decided not to judge in favor of Abba Yusuf. What would have happened? What would have happened? Because if that number of people were that excited that the governor won the election, what would have happened if the judgment did not go in their favor? There would have been destruction. People would have died, because now that even the governor won, they are celebrating in such a dangerous way that it has caused fatalities to a lot of people. Before we go into the details of today's news, if this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? What are you doing on YouTube and you're not subscribed to Newsroom Nigeria? This is the only place you can get reliable and authentic news from. So please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, leave your opinions in the comment section below. 2 hospitalized, 5 arrested over violent Kano celebration. The police in Kano on Wednesday said they arrested 5 persons over allegations of constituting nuisance and instigating violence while celebrating the Supreme Court judgment on the state governorship election. Wild celebrations greeted Friday's Supreme Court verdict, which restored the victory of Kano State Governor Abba Yusuf in the March 18, 2023 governorship election. The Kano governor had earlier been sacked by both the election tribunal and the Court of Appeal, which declared the candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Nasiru Gawuna, as the winner of a poll. His sacking created tension in the ancient city, while the restoration of his victory brought relief and sparked off wild celebrations by his supporters. The State's Commissioner of Police, Hussaini Gumel, on Wednesday said 5 persons were arrested following a clash between jubilant supporters of a governor and his party, the New Nigeria People's Party, and supporters of the APC in the Gaya local government area. Gumel said, "We have since arrested 5 suspects, while 2 victims are on admission at the General Hospital, Gaya," he said. According to the police boss, the suspects would be charged and arraigned in court at the end of the investigations. Gumel cautioned political actors in the state against violence and acts that could ignite violence. He said the police, in collaboration with other security agencies, had fortified security at all identified hotspots in the state in order to forestall a breakdown of law and order. At this moment, security has been beefed up in strategic locations to maintain peace. I hereby call on the leadership of all political parties to prevail on their supporters to shun unguided utterances that may spark violence. We are therefore advising them to celebrate moderately without infringing on the fundamental rights of other members of the public. Anyone or groups that attempt to disrupt the peace and cause a breakdown of law and order will face a full wrath of the law, he said. Gumel assured of the police command's commitment to providing adequate security for citizens and encouraged them to go about their legitimate businesses. You all, what are your thoughts? Let's have them in the comment section below. What do you all think? Just imagine if this court judgment hadn't been in favor of a NNPC. Please, what could have happened? I just can't stop thinking about that. What would have happened if it didn't go in their favor? There would have been serious fights, serious acrimony, serious war in Kano State, because even with with the fact that the governors, won, was declared the legitimate winner of the election, people are still celebrating in such dangerous manner. And I don't know why people always carry political party on their head. At the end of the day, how are you going to feel when you see these political godfathers that you have, people go political party models, role model, godfather that you have? How are you going to feel if you now see them shaking hands in public, whereas you as an ordinary party member, you are carrying your party placard on your head, fighting people up and down because of what? You do not even hold any political position. You've not even been given anything in the government. So why? Why, my brother? Why will you not start fighting people? Why will you start, you know, uh, exchanging very harsh words with people, all in the name of politics? So, all in the name of politics. I don't know. In Nigeria, politics is such a very sensitive topic. It's like, I don't know. There is a kind of, a set of people who think that whenever you hold a particular political opinion in favor of a political party, it means you are a party person. It means that you are into politics. It means that you are in support of Labour Party. When you hold a very strong, for example, you hold a very strong opinion about a particular topic, that doesn't mean that when another topic comes up, you are going to still support that political party. But because of a certain topic you're discussing, then you support Labour Party, and then they will say, oh, you are into politics, you are a party person, you are this and that. I'm like, how? Because you hold a particular opinion doesn't mean that you are into politics or you are a party member. I just think that people should be more liberal, be more accepting of other people's views, of other people's political opinion. That way, there will not be any fights, there will not be any arguments. If you just see it on the surface level as, okay, that's your opinion, is your opinion, so you are free to say it. That way there is no fights, there is no arguments and all of that. You all, let me have your thoughts in the comments section. Leave your opinions there. I respond to all of my comments, as you all know. Thank you very much for always listening and watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.